Khao Ka Moo. A dish consists of rice with pork leg. It is a popular Thai dish, influenced by Chinese cuisine, that you can find in most places in Thailand. Served with spicy dipping sauce and egg. In this video, we are going to make a popular Thai dish called Khao Ka Moo. Which you can often find in Thailand. To make this dish, you will need a pork leg, preferably the front leg because it has more meat. You can get it from your regular grocery store, and it should weigh around 2 kilograms. Traditionally, this dish is served with cooked egg. Pineapple, which helps soften the pork leg faster. Coriander roots. Peppercorns. Garlic, and sour pickled green mustard for flavor. You can find it in an Asian grocery store. Be sure to rinse the sour pickle for a couple of minutes to avoid it being too sour. You can also use chili pepper for decoration. For seasoning, you can use a 5-spice blend, sometimes called Palo powder. Alternatively, you can choose an herb set instead of Palo powder. To enhance the dish appearance, consider using palm sugar instead of regular sugar. Soy sauce, ponzu sauce is optional, but can make the dish taste even better. Black soy sauce. And oyster sauce. We start by making a spice mixture. Coriander roots, 3 units. Cut the roots into small pieces to make them easier to grind. Peppercorns, and garlic. You can also use electric blender for grinding. We will use a mortar and pestle to grind for this video. This spice mixture is called samgre, and it is used in most Thai dishes. This method is slower than using a blender, but we wanted to show you how to make the dish as close to the traditional way as possible. There. Let's continue with the rest of the dish. Turn on the heat and pour in the water. Put the pork leg in. The water should cover at least half of the leg. Close the lid. The water is boiling, which takes about 10 minutes. Scoop out the forming foam. Turn the pork to make sure that both sides are properly boiled. Let it to simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Turn off the heat. Take out the pork. This can be a little difficult because it's quite hot. Next, we will add the spice. Turn on the heat. We won't use cooking oil because the pork leg is already quite fatty. Add a little water. Sugar. Followed by the samgre spice mixture. You can also use regular sugar instead of palm sugar. Using palm sugar will add color to the dish. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Black soy sauce for added color. And Palo powder. Stir until everything is mixed. Making Khao Moo is not difficult, but it requires many ingredients. The brown sugar is starting to melt. There is no need to wait for it to be completely melted. Now add the pork leg. Add in more water to cover about half of the pork leg. Add pineapple. The sourness of the pineapple will make the dish have a more complete taste. Let the leg simmer with the lid on, and remember to turn it every 10 minutes. Turn the leg after 10 minutes. Taste the dish occasionally and add more salt or sugar if necessary. We will soon add the sour pickled green mustard. Add boiled eggs. Let it simmer under the lid for another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes passed. The eggs have absorbed the broth and now have a brownish color. Add the sour pickled green mustard. And Chinese cabbage if you have it. No need to let the vegetables boil. We just have them absorb the broth. So basically we turn the leg after every 10 minutes until the meat is fully cooked like this. Then take it out of the pan. Keep the broth. Next, we will be making the dipping sauce. Now let's prepare the dipping sauce. We will start with small chili peppers. If you prefer a milder sauce, use only one small chili pepper, along with the larger, less spicy kind. Cut them into pieces. The larger chili peppers are milder than the smaller ones. You will need 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Use 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. For the lime juice, squeeze about the juice of 2 limes. Blend all the ingredients together using a blender. After blending, be sure to remove any lime seeds. Here it is, Khao Ka Moo, typically enjoyed with rice, dipping sauce, vegetables, and boiled eggs. The cabbage was boiled in the broth. Then use the broth in the dish. It's an easy to make dish, but it can be time consuming because you need to turn the leg every 10 to 15 minutes until the meat is cooked to your liking.